I'm proud of you. Keep going.
Sorry, Zach's late. The car wouldn't start. You're a good boy. I love you.
Hi, Jan. What's the matter?
I fell down again.
Hey, wait a minute.
I forgot to close the door to the basement, and Zach had a bad fall. The doctor says it looks much worse than it really is.
Sure, you all say the same thing. The kid fell down the steps. Don't you have anything better to say than that?
It's true. Look, I don't have to justify myself to you. You don't have any right talking to me like that.
Hey, how you doing? You must be the Mr. Kimball we hear so much about.
You hit the kid, I hit you.
You bastard!
You're not worth it. I'm pressing charges against you.
Excuse me, everybody.